Okay, so now we're going to add, let's take a look at this part here. Let's tackle this part right here, this little notch. Okay. So here's where we're going to bring in the trim feature. But first, that notch has a rectangle shape, and so we'll add it. We'll add a rectangle here. All right, get out of this. Okay, so notice that I put a rectangle here and it's closed in right here, but on our piece it's open. So we want to be able to get rid of that edge right there, and we can do that by using the trim feature, which is over here in the modify section right here. So it's basically just like cutting away the part that you don't want. So hover your mouse over to the section. You're pointing to the section that you don't want, and you notice that it turns into like a dash line. And move this out of the way. And then left click, and left click again, and then it will get rid of that part. Don't worry about this dot here. That's the constraint. That's just an indicator that this side here is being constrained here. All right, that is not part of. It won't show up in your drawing when we extrude this. Okay, so now we get out of this. And so now we have that part there. Right? And then we want to go ahead and let's go ahead and dimension this and make sure that we have this correct. Choose dimension, and we want to make this gap here 20, right? 20 millimeters, right? So as we start to add more dimension lines, it'll get cluttered. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and dimension this side here. Oops. To 35. Okay. There's no need for us to dimension this piece because we've already established that from here all the way across is 85. And if we've dimensioned this section here, from here to here is 20, then from here to here is 35. That's 55. So that just means that this automatically is going to be 30. So we don't have to add another dimension line in there. But we do want to establish how deep this is here. So we'll go ahead and dimension. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. We'll go ahead and dimension this side to 20. All right, get out of this. Okay, so let's go ahead and even though we have some more stuff to add to our sketch, let's go ahead and click Finish Sketch. All right. And then let's save this work, and we'll call this is a fitter plate. All right, and then in the next video we'll go back in and edit the sketch and continue on with the process.